Good morning, Maya. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Mom. Yes, I slept well, thank you.
That's great. Are you hungry?
Yes, what's for breakfast today?
I made omelets, toast, and fresh fruit. Would you like some orange juice?
Yes, please. I love orange juice.
Perfect. Let's eat and practice some English while we have breakfast.
Okay, how do we start?
Repeat after me. I enjoy my breakfast.
I enjoy my breakfast.
Wonderful. Now make a sentence.
I enjoy my breakfast and the sunshine.
Perfect. That's how you use English in daily life.
Maya, did you finish packing your bag?
Almost. I just need to put my notebook in.
Don't forget your lunch money.
Oh, yes. Thank you for reminding me.
What class do you have first today?
Math. I hope I understand everything.
You'll do fine. Remember, practice makes perfect.
I know. I'll try my best.
That's the spirit. And don't forget to say good morning to your teacher.
Of course. I'll say it.
Maya, do you want to help me make lunch?
Yes, Dad. What are we making?
Let's make a salad today.
Sounds good. What do I do first?
Can you wash the tomatoes?
Sure. Are they in the fridge?
Yes, they're in the top shelf.
Got it. I'll wash them carefully.
Perfect. After that, you can cut the cucumber.
Is this knife okay?
Yes, that's the right one.
How many pieces do you want?
About 10 small pieces.
Okay, Dad. This is kind of fun.
You're doing great work, Maya.
Maya, can you help me with my math homework?
Sure. What problem are you stuck on?
I don't understand this one.
Let me see. Okay, it's about addition.
I'm confused.
No worries. Let's do it step by step.
Okay,
First, add the ones place. 5 plus 7 is 12.
got it. Then what?
Add the tens place. 20 plus 30 is 50. Then 50 plus 12 equals 62.
Wow, I got it.
Excellent. You did it.
Thanks, Maya. You're the best sister.
You're welcome. We make a great team. Maya, your school bag is ready. Almost, Mom. I just need my lunchbox. Don't forget your water bottle. Oh, yes, thank you. And your books. Are they all packed? Yes, math, English, and history. Perfect. Did you brush your teeth? Just finished. Good. Breakfast is done if you want a little snack before school.
Yes, I'll take an apple.
A great choice. Eating fruit gives you energy for school.
I know, Mom. Thanks.
How was your first class today?
Math was a bit hard, but I understood most of it.
That's good. Did you try speaking in English in class?
Yes, I said, I understand the problem.
Excellent. Keep practicing.
I will. English is getting easier.
Don't worry, you're improving every day.
Thanks. It helps to practice with you too.
Anytime, Maya. I'm proud of you.
Maya, can we eat some snacks?
Sure. What do you want?
Cookies!
Okay, let's take 2 each.
Yay! Thanks, Maya.
You're welcome. Did you finish your homework?
Almost. Can you help me with one problem?
Of course. Show me.
This one. I don't understand.
Let's read the question carefully.
Oh, now I get it.
Great job.
You're the best sister ever.
And you're the best little brother.
Maya, want to help me make dinner?
Yes, Dad. What are we cooking today?
Pasta with vegetables.
Sounds yummy. What should I do first?
Can you chop the carrots?
Sure. How many pieces do you want?
Small pieces, about 10 each.
Okay, Dad.
You're doing great. Be careful with the knife.
Don't worry, Dad. I'm careful.
Perfect. Soon we'll have a delicious dinner.
I can't wait.
Maya, how was your day at school?
It was good, Mom. I learned about Australia and geography.
That's interesting. What did you learn?
It's a beautiful country with kangaroos and deserts.
Wow. Can you say a sentence in English about it?
Sure. Australia is a large country with unique animals.
Excellent. Keep practicing sentences like that every day.
I will, Mom. I want to get better.
I'm proud of you. English is easier when you practice every day.
Thanks, Mom.
Wow, what a busy day.
Yes, but you did so well today, Maya.
I'm proud of you, kiddo.
You're improving in English every day.
Can we play again tomorrow?
Of course. We can do homework, cook, and play together.
That's the spirit.
Always practice a little English every day, and you'll get even better.
I will, Dad, I promise. Remember, it's fun to learn when you use English with family.
We love learning with you too.
Good night, Maya. Sleep well and dream in English.
Yeah, English is more fun with you, Maya.
Thanks, everyone. I love learning with all of you.
Good night, everyone. I can't wait for tomorrow.